All I want to do is watch some shows without having to balance my tablet on my lap. If only there was something more comfortable.
So why not try a hands-free experience and relax with Simplific?
What? How?
What you're looking at is the Simplific tablet holder with a built-in charging unit. There are a lot of tablet holders, clamps, grips, but none as versatile as Simplific. Unlike other tablet holders that require flat surfaces, Simplific can be mounted on the side of any furniture. Easy to set up, easy to adjust, and easy to use. It's simple to mount and take off. Just use the quick button release to grab your tablet and transfer it to the next holder. You can set up Simplific with the magnet attachment for your tablet, phone, or smaller devices and adjust to any angle that works best for you. Simplific is a universal ergonomic extension arm with long flexible joints that have vertical and horizontal hinges to allow 180 or 360-degree rotations, letting you use your device however and wherever you want. Now you can make those oat milk lattes, crush that 30-day meal prep challenge, and catch up with your favorite shows all at the same time.
That's awesome. There's only so many hours in the day. I'm all here for the multitasking. I really love that it works in the office too.
You can also use the clip-on attachment to set up your tablet. Simplific can fit snugly to the side of your desk, and its premium build will keep your tablet stable and secure. Oh, can't forget that it even comes with a built-in USB charger. Keep Simplific in the office as a second monitor for work or for illustrating, and to help you keep yourself on task. Or not.
Just a little motivation.
Help us bring Simplific to your home.
You know what you need to do, right?